think one of the biggest mistakes I've seen clients make during their digital transformation projects is treating it like a military black budget. Not having a set business outcome or criteria for what success looks like when we've achieved this particular project. How is it improving the organization? What is it doing for the organization that we couldn't do previously? We very much treat technology projects in general much like a military black budget, and I think that comes from the people making decisions not really understanding technology, and I think that might be a limitation of technology providers. We tend to explain things to people in technical language, not business language. Finding a digital transformation organization that can help you guide your project and explain things in business language is uncommon. And thus, most organizations don't expect or have an expectation that there don't need to be any type of tangible return on investment for this particular project. We're doing the project because, well, our competitors are doing it, or we're doing it because, well, the IT guy told us so. But that's not how good, proper digital transformation should come about. Digital transformation should be purposeful. It should be planned, there should be a framework, and there should be a set number of outcomes. And if you think about how technology could help your organization, you look at the pain points, we start there. Let's just take a salesperson, for example. If we could free up the salesperson to spend more time in front of clients, helping them, would you prefer that over them having to use technology? That's the power of digital transformation.